Alright, hi guys, welcome back to Kayna-Media, guys. And this one Kayna number 2. Yes. Yeah, been like 1 month, maybe a couple of days since my last post, but yeah. I wasn't taking no vacation as well, Papa said me the day of my mother. And yes, that's it, guys. Just like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend. Oh guys, I ran into a difficulty. Me shooting for like when me shoot movie upon it. I don't know. Me will tell you. I was coming up on a bike taxi and it. Me don't know if it drop out and pocket and something run over hit or what. But yeah, whole I screen mash out half it not touch. So right now I don't have no shooting phone. So yes, just like comment, share, subscribe. That's all I have to say, guys. Oh God. Right now my ball crying everything because the screen alone of 75,000. Oh God, my heart. Alright, but yeah, we're gonna find a way through. Just like, comment, share, subscribe, everything. Still gonna make it happen. Okay.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life.
Dee, me glad me see you. Oh, you start the soaking already.
Yes, mommy.
Me glad for that. Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome, mommy.
I want to talk to you.
How you want to talk to me about now, mommy?
Something that perplexes my brain. I mean, I like it.
How perfect Sabrina.
I tell you, say, show me your company and I tell you who you be. Not true?
Yes, mommy.
So why me see you still a hang round with the Kayna one? Me not like her.
Mommy, Kayna, 19-year-old, Kayna big enough and she never tell me nothing, but she always encourage me to do good. She never encourage me to do nothing.
Why you can't hang around with people your age? You're
Mommy, Kayna
17.
just 2 years older than me, mommy.
Yes, she a big woman. And she go on biggish too. Me not like her. My spirit not take her.
So, mommy, me ask you one question. Out of this long in my age group, and help mix up there, madam to talk to Kayna way. A big woman. Which one of them I prefer?
Me not like
You
her.
see me in a mix up or see me sit down and talk to somebody who more understand life.
My spirit. I mean, see me work with my ancestors and my spirit already. Me all get funny dreams since you and she
What
start
kind of funny dream you get?
You know want to know.
Mama, me always say you follow your spirit. Me not follow spirit. Me follow what my mind tell me. Always follow your spirit. Your ancestors them not have nothing to do with me.
Okay, so you not come from them. If it wasn't for them and the hard work and the lessons them learn, we wouldn't be where we are now.
What lessons?
And his ancestors are old people tell we say, show me your company, I tell you who you be.
You know, feel say that they sing the out of fashion now.
Which out of fashion?
Yeah, out of
people
fashion.
are Delilah same way. People genuine same way, but you have to light lamp to find good people.
Mommy, me honestly, if Kayna is a bad person, let me see that for myself. Because you see Kayna as a bad person, I don't see her as a bad person. Let me see Kayna as a bad person for myself.
So, you see somebody going over the cliff. You see somebody about to drop and you see the danger. And when them not see the danger, you have to tell them.
You're not saying nothing to tell me, you're not saying nothing to talk to me about it, right? But Kayna is not a bad person. Kayna always there for me. Kayna always tell me things good. She never tell me nothing bad. She never encourage me to do nothing bad yet.
Sometimes you have to test these friends, yeah?
Test her how?
Alright, watch and see when you not have nothing, God forbid. When you not have nothing. Or she say, go here. And you say, no, watch and see. Test your friend them. Look up on the road, yeah?
Alright, I wish you all the best.
Alright. Just take heed of what I say.
What good? What pen a bucket to do? How would this call my phone? Hello?
Girl, what going?
Me Diana girl.
Oh, same. Where are you? Where are
Me there me yard, where else me for there?
Yeah, me boys over there. You're not ready.
Yeah girl, but me there
So
me
you hook up in
yard.
a yard.
Cause mother no want me walk up and down on the road.
Hello, yeah, big girl, no, if you tap me to have you over there like your mannequin or something.
I that me I tell her.
So if you tell her, you know, just do it. If you continuously no action, what go come out as nothing.
True.
Either way, meet me at a bamboo tree.
Okay. Alright, me I forward.
Yeah, hurry up. Move with speed.
Yeah. Wow.
Morning, nothing.
Yeah, right.
Yes, me I walk.
Are you daughter this girl so big?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Girl get big.
Mm-hmm. Mother and daughter what though? She look nice. What is your name? Okay, we love how she talk. But what the way you look like your daddy though? She look like her father.
Me not see it, you know.
You not see it?
No. Me not know see it, but honestly, I don't see it.
Mine are no jacket and tie and suit.
But no jacket, me not see a jacket, but me not see she look like him.
She look like him for true.
Well, people out there go see it, but me not see it.
Mm-hmm. Where you go?
Me I walk up the road and walk around to the hot place.
Mm. Oh God, if me didn't know me gonna see you, such a sweet girl, me did go to walk because money in there and nothing to even buy a little juice.
That's alright, man. Anything happen varies, that's alright.
Alright. So, nothing to say, nothing new?
No, we're planning to do for the day, we're up to and so forth.
Mm-hmm. Well, me I walk and quite too hot, so me I catch little breeze before I go up on the road and me I talk.
Oh, so you're up on the road then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I go right up on the road and do some business. I'm a daughter at home, man.
But your daughter, Kayna, I don't know if you know this man named Kayna.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Me, the bad influence, huh?
Big girl like how you all lift up.
Yes.
Yeah. I must say tired, she tired.
She tired to stand up.
And the sun hot for true.
But the Kayna business,
Mm-hmm.
yes, a good company now.
And that me there home I tell my daughter, then just seem like her head tough like a cocoa. She don't want to listen to me.
You have to go get little hot water milk down the cocoa then.
And that me have to go do. Because, Moody, I tell you, say, your spirit ever just can't take somebody.
Yeah. Enough people my spirit can't take in, and enough people, I will see them in a better light them, I really like them from day one.
Just something about that girl, man. From me see her here, God forgive me, please. Let me be wrong. But if I see that little girl, I see a problem. Be a problem and trouble, Shaggy.
Well, I don't know if you tell us, you know. Just talk to your daughter, that's all I can say. Talk to her, guide her around, counsel her and something.
Mm-hmm. So, the remedy me tell you for help, it work?
Yeah, of course it work, it help. 100% work.
Good, that me love. And she look bright and cheerful and everything and full of life.
Yes.
You ready to go run up and down now, though? Alright, that's how you go. So you go walk and tell me about Kayna because maybe...
Yes, because right now, if I get really weighty.
A motherhood that.
She try no, so
She like tall and bamboo. Girl! What
Then-
go on? You see
No,
you come to
wait,
your
mama.
emergency, what go on now?
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna come so like yeah one a day. You know. Schedule there. Really emergency what me have is that miss see this big long girl.
Lang maga gas mo pero
Yes. And she have a little daughter. It burned me so every time I see her. The one where me and the girl used to be so good. We used to go a party and something. We used to do all of them there together and such, you know. And you one say one time we are taking same and I say, you know. And they say we are growing at that villa there. But we are there all night. I know me can't see none of them reach. You want to know when the girl see me what she gonna tell me say?
What she tell you?
So she fall in love with the man.
Eh?
Yes.
How you fall in love with the man?
And at the tour we are You know what tour with it with the man. And this girl I got tell me she fall in love with the man. If I tour with the plans that we are got there with him.
I no friend that.
But no man I see her. I know say she got birth for man get one little pretty girl.
I lie.
That's true.
So
Like
what
a
you plan
girl
to
who
do?
around
Say.
3, 4, maybe 5.
Means if I can't catch
No.
one, I catch you.
Yeah, but me not plan to do nothing.
Yeah,
No,
do
sir.
count me, aye.
Hush.
What you plan to do? Just
Me not plan to do nothing.
Anything you plan
Yeah.
to do, I'm in.
But yes, a girl, a friend. Tell man, a friend like you. Look how you look like a sexy bitch.
girl.
Yeah, girl, a friend like you. Me want. I should call you a bit, but you know, girl, you're a sexy bitch, girl. A friend like you, me want. You know, friend like you. If me say roar, you're Japanese cur. You know, if me say R, you say woof. You know, then we are there. If me say RR, you say woof woof. I say a friend like you, me didn't want, you know. And then that thing too, you have to top make your mother, you have to top make your mother.
Girl, me
What
tired
if say
to tell
she
the
rule
woman,
your
say me
life?
a look pick me
You're
a
a big woman. You have to, right now, you know what you have to do? Find someone out the road. So when she throw you out when you're 18, you have options and
Yeah,
places
you
to
know
go.
why me not to him and so because then say Anna your mother and your father and there's will belong.
But
'Cause
they
they know
say
when I tell them
parents,
so
them not to
same
provoke them children
thing.
to
To
rot.
And
So-
she always a provoke me to rot.
Okay. So you want to?
Oh, so myself me a talk too. Myself me a chat too.
Where me I talk to you?
Then you want me and you a talk about this morning, eh?
Some fit walk up and down forward.
Eh,
But mommy, I want me stand now here like a prison me there.
you can get to work
You not feel
and
like
start
say-
a business.
You know feel like say lock me up in the house too long.
Me I do the good for you.
Mommy,
Me no want you
oh,
work
mommy, if you
street
lock me up in the house,
Why?
I
What do
bother
me?
me go and get in here say pick me when I go out door, I did my body set up pick me them. You want me feel bad?
Miss, me know I want pitney. She take it through the girl. You fit thank God I watch you walk
If you
on
think
that
God
breed.
say you me walk
You
out
fit
the
thank
yard
God.
that you call see me
Yeah.
cause
Me
If
no
I did so-
want
Me know,
you.
me tell you, man, one of my friend them did bad say, yes, because her mother did lock her up and have her in a bandage over the yard. She take it through the grill, the mother lock it gate. My
And she
mama just
never
pack
lock
up
it
stuff
enough.
on the
She
grill.
shoulda use the padlock too.
Exactly,
Eh?
my pint. She was
Me
padlock
no
and
want
lock
my
it up.
daughter
she no mean
around
the way
you.
the mommy
What you
she
mean
mean
by-
say the mother lock the grill.
And
And
the
the
girl
little girl
crack up
cock up on
and
the
take
It
it
is
grill.
through
me
the
and you
grill.
get it some another that me know so she mean.
How was she mean?
So
Me know
if-
so she mean
let
that.
me
That's
tell
why
you-
me no want you and she par.
But she never
But me
encourage
tell her
me
good
to know
advice,
that
what
me
you
finna
mean
tell her
by-
that for morning, but you not listen.
Me I
Me
tell
know
her
what?
said,
You not listen.
So what
She
do
a-
we ears? Eh? What
she's
do we
a-
ears?
she's a big
Yeah, it
woman. You,
come to the
you
one
need
now
to let
and go
her
back
out.
to the
She's a
one.
big woman now.
You
You
need to
can't have
come
her
out
under
of
the
the
bad,
business.
so.
Mommy, you know, sister say me soon 18-year-old. Me soon 18
You
you know?
too, huh?
Me soon 18-year-old.
Okay, so
Put on
what
your foot,
exactly
girl.
that
Stand
mean?
up to her.
What exactly that
Big
mean?
woman, me a turn.
Big woman, you a ton. Big woman, you a ton. So mind yourself then. Eh?
You know hard.
In a hard. Okay.
You got platinum. Every man need a platinum.
And this you want
If
follow.
she don't want
Me,
to,
Mommy,
is
try
trying to
look
lead
here now,
you
mommy.
on the right
Mommy, look
path.
here now. Can go on the beach, find a one white man. and
Yes,
mix him out
get
and
a
say,
green
me can get
card.
the green card. Let me get
Yes,
the green card and
she
me go
file for
fire
you.
it. Me file for you and take you over, mommy. You
Me
know
don't
what
want
I
no
like?
friend you like that.
Why you
Me
know
don't
what
want
you
no
mean
friend
by
with
the girl
poor
that go
daughter
find
and
out?
our friend. Eh? And that you really want ton.
Rude.
Pour out yourself for man for money.
No, mommy, nothing like that.
Me raise you and me better with you for better than that. You for come better than even me and your ancestors them. You for shine.
Mommy, you know, tell that talk about ancestors every day. Get ancestors.
Yeah, you're not afraid for, you're not time for rank with me.
You're
That's
not
why
rank
me no
with
want
you?
you follow back her.
Mommy,
So if she follow back on me,
You
what
be,
that do?
mommy, you go out of proportion now.
Out of
You're going out
proportion?
of proportion now.
Out of proportion. You feel fine, look at work.
Mommy,
Look at
mommy,
business.
you're treating me like I'm those 6 years old and 5 years old baby. I'm 17 years old. Couple months from now, me at 18, mommy. You cannot treat me like me a little pitney. Me no pitney.
Okay, let me see something. Me and no picnic. Since this is the weapon you love use against me, and me appear for my own weapon. And you're a big woman
Mommy,
in
look here now.
this.
If you take the phone, you can't keep it because me can't go to the road and get one white man and
You
just
see?
him out and buy
You
a
see
new
then?
And them
You
something
get
you
the
make
white
fit me
man
bad.
to put you up. Because me and you now ruling a one
Listen,
yard.
Elastic come to an end and she say elastic them both scream soon jump out by you so you can't take
Okay.
you and go on.
Stand with your friend and make she
Nothing
rule
wrong,
you.
me stay
Nobody
with
come
her.
back to me yard
Now
because
for
you're a
come
big
down
woman now.
But,
I wish
but
you
what you
good
mean
luck.
by them so yeah, me can't bother with you know.
I don't mean
And them type of
Mommy, get
parents
on
you
top of me
got to
nerves.
bless.
Me say me feel like a samuda.
Me can never go to war and do that to her, miss.
Girl, I show you
You
know
see your mother bull and up conqueror.
Good luck and everything for you, not me.
Oh, so what make you have she? What make you make she rule you? Let me tell you this. You see your parents look at them, the man God should have blessed. I want to know
girl,
why.
as me tell her
They don't
before,
know say
you
him
know really
more
want-
than train a pitney, a train them to be future liar than actors and something. You never know that. Cause right now, me sure no say I can look on him and tell him a lie and he gon' believe. Cause he train you for it can lock you up too
Me
much.
say, girl, and you continue lock me up. I just catch a belly pan her in the house.
Oh,
if me not
you
come
no
out
catch you
before
when
that.
me your friend. No catch you when me your friend. Me no nobody paint. Me done a paint. Get bad picture already.
If you catch me after me go in the house and me tell him so me catch a belly, me can do a abash.
Oh, Jesus, what girl? What you doing? You
But
know,
girl, anyway,
But
change the topic.
follow-
Change the topic. Where you say we have to? Where you say?
no. Me soon tell you. Me soon tell you my plan.
Remember fi
Go
call me.
run.
Oh, me not no phone.
Go run done. You know, man, you know what for me. Me I see him original. You know, say if I know yes, so this one done this one. Just check it through one day. Me I go there one. You don't know. Follow back your mama before you come up.
If you
and
follow
grab
back
you.
in.
Yes.
Oh God, me gonna red girl. Look more.
What you do?
Me, boy, look how the child mash up the phone. Hey? Yes, you is the next one. Come here. Eh? How the phone mash up so? And it's not even a good year you have it yet.
Mommy, the phone pass through hurricane and it's still at work. Thank God.
You not appreciate nothing, you know, Deandra.
What you mean by me not appreciate
You
that?
know how much money me have to save up because your balls say you want phone. You need phone for do technology pick up on homework
There
and
we
Google
go
and
like
thing.
it. Mommy, me not done school now. Me not need phone for the homework. Me need phone for chop the line.
Okay, you need phone to chop the line. Let me tell you something. Me never want to do it out a road, eh? But me notice say from where they you get bright rank and out harder with me, eh? And me you laugh with. Laugh now. Me laugh at me put the back. Hey. Me not tell you something I want. Come here, you big woman to chop line. Where
You know.
tired of me? Come here, sir, you big woman. Come take big woman lick. Where you walk off for your big woman?
Mommy, you know, say sometimes I just show mercy I got and show your mother make me do certain things. Cause you don't know why you're not me intention.
I want to see the day name day. I want to see the day name day. Because
You come and butter bruise me.
my Tyson couldn't do it.
You don't see how who?
Oh, if you could take your book and learn Black history. Mike Tyson couldn't do it. Mike McCallum couldn't do it. So see me here, box me now. Come in off and box it. So come now, box me now. But when they me notice say, I put up on me.
Mommy,
Me notice say, you should have dropped.
You leave me and me a job. I have problem with
Eh? Me notice say, from you and the brutal move.
you know
You get rank.
you know sometimes me one day for 2 years get up you go up in a age make you want so you're miserable, you know?
So
You
hold
never
on.
miserable
Let me tell you
different.
something.
You way you want me
If you never run quit me wouldn't get your backside, yes, I'm gonna follow you up and down.
Mommy,
Me say come here, so.
see me right there, so.
Let me turn around and grab you.
See me come right
Let me turn around and grab you, please and thanks. Come here. You know, see me a sweat, through me a blow, and me a keep me cool with you, you know. Me a keep me cool with you. But me a warn you here right now. What is it about that the train line girl that attract you so?
Charles, I'm a friend.
Eh? You know, sister, she don't mean you no good.
Kill. In general, everything I want.
That's why I don't want to deal with that. The girl, she don't mean you no good.
That's true.
That's true?
Yeah.
So you know how the big talk now.
Yeah, exactly. I talk a full time for me change.
Deandra,
Mommy,
me not try stop your fun, you know. Remember, me was 17 once, going on 18, 19. Me did that there. And I see where my mother want to talk to me and me don't want to listen to her. till certain things reach me, till all you reach me. But me thank God. So you come, cause you is a blessing. Me no want you go down the same bad path as me here. And now your fun me I try spoil.
So, mommy, I call you, yes, if me have to company with Kayna, you gonna give me back my phone and me can go more often and top look up in the house like me a nerd.
Me no want lock up in the house called time hot. That's a torture in itself. Me I go, hey, me I go give you back your phone, you know, my girl. Me I go give you back your phone. But let me tell you something. This is a warning. Don't take my kindness for weakness. You hear me?
I want, mommy, I want.
I trust you. You see, if them they're ranking this outer street and inside happen again, Deandra,
Yes, mommy.
Deandra,
Yes, mommy.
Deandra,
Yes, mommy.
me give you life.
Yes,
Me
mommy.
nah have no problem to take it. Hear me? No matter how big you be.
But mommy, why would you want to take my life?
Better me take your life than you go strong and mess up your life.
Thanks.
Better me take it. Then you're gonna mess it up. Because you have a bright future, you're a bright young woman. I want the best for you, my girl.
Go and get the best for me, mommy.
All right. Go on in. I go get some water. Cause right, you know, Chaja. I whole turn up the heat, man. What is?
Mommy, I know some Master John sent me for remind about you something. Yeah, we can't asking up your face for.
Master John really allowed up my business for $200.
I still money, mommy. You whole man she's supposed to pay, man.
Let me tell you something. Me, I support Master John. From Master John, just have table outside with suck and banana. And can't wait for him $200.
Mommy, that not say, mommy. You whole man you pay, man.
You not pay him then, no? Come in a height.
Anyways, me a go down and run about go collect my money.
Go down and where collect what?
My money down and run about. When we did that ask me all time, we did your partner and all time classmate, we beg her to collect money for me. So we go meet her down and run about and collect money. And then we can pay Master Johnny $200 for you.
So how much so you got collect?
No. 10,000.
You wanna $10,000?
Yeah.
Deandra,
Yes, mommy.
remember say trust me, I trust you, you know? And trust is earned. If you lose my trust.
Mommy, me not lose your trust, mommy. Me tell you say I'm a change person now. Me not lose your trust, mommy. I promise you.
Go on now since you want pay, master. Thank you, yeah?
Yes, mommy.
What good? Oh, Lord.
Nothing.
Pickle salt. Yeah, man, no problem. But Moody, let me tell you something. He's a young mother, if you know this. This is salt, sugar, and little seasoning. And then the things you must always, oil. You always have them in your house. And when you have them, if you buy more, put on. Yeah? Enough to run out of them. Because you can make little salt water, little sugar water. And when you feel bad, you can drink little of the oil too.
People drink oil?
So what? You don't drink olive oil, you don't drink cod liver oil.
Olive oil. Not oil, cooking oil.
Oil. They free up your system. And make your system free out. And you go free out. If you always have them, man. Or when you have them, you have to buy them. Here. Them not the things if you walk and beg for. So
Doesn't mean I'm begging a stranger.
still, always have salt here. And use a mother now. Your body go through some things. So if you drink so little oil every now and then, even little cork full of oil, make it free up your digestive system and make you go easy. You know? I know if you strain here. Yeah. Alright, let's go get it.
Where they drink alpha? Now when people have heartburn, they drink alpha.
And then nothing bad me I tell you. You see me always have my things, talk out some for you, yeah? So you have to bring
But
it back.
this all business a puzzle me. Now when people have heartburn, they drink alpha.
So you do the preventative what? You wait until you're sick before you take the medicine.
That's true.
You do the preventative, my girl. You drink little soups of oil every now and then. And then you see when you go flow now, you flow freer and you know constipate.
Constipated, no.
You hear that's what me say, constipate.
Constipated.
And that me say you deaf.
You say constipated.
And that's a word.
What you say?
Me say constipate, so the right word me say.
Alright, so what you want? I mean, know the word as constipated. Can you see look at that? May I go drink from the pot? Let me have one.
So we have cook, we have cook. I try not to see you bring a little bowl for me here.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, that's why me have to love you.
Then
Oh, my
that's-
baby girl.
She up there watch cartoon.
Panaron.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go on up to the picnic here, leave the picnic Panaron and watch the pot too. Remember me with the bowl, yeah? This sounds like a yard, man.
Girl! My big friend! Oh, my God, nigga.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, every time I see you tip. So, I will tell you, tell your mother, say, no. I will say, he not just let you out of here.
He said me a come from out here when I'm master and tell me say go back to him. He said me so me not gonna make. So me go over here now come want see so me tell her say I'm there go school me there to a partner and me go down and run about go collect money for one of my old classmates.
Is she so gullible? She really fall for that?
Yeah, she said she give me her she trust me, she give me her trust.
Oh, the backside and answer.
Girl, me tell
That
him say
I most gullible lie
Girl,
when me ever
me
see.
tell him say me change. Tell him say me
No.
say change
Come on,
first.
go down in water.
But me not change at
Come
all.
on. What do you mean by you not change at all?
Me just tell
Tell
him
me so
that
long so
and that me I said to me long and man go your fuck. Me tell him say me change car. Me dey want come out of where you dey.
You see, I never knew your mother. You got up above, sit and look low. I lick your father out like fish out of water.
So what about if you know me mother? What that have to do with me?
Because my friend, I respect your mother.
And
And
respect my mother, me no respect you.
me not beg you to respect little girl. You know, so the honest man is
All if you dey good on your knees and beg me respect. Me no give you me respect. Cause you're not worthy. Kupang you to boy ya take people man. Long and maga no.
I show your mother make you feel like you're a big man, you know, 17 with lashes, 17 and look like them.
And
Because you're 19 or no, I lie. Because you're 20 something and you look like you're then in your 50s, you're going so. Eh?
young girl and you look pop down. You look old.
If you're a young girl, we have a baby,
Girl,
you're
I need
supposed
body
to
like
look
this.
better.
You look
Yeah,
fucking-
girl.
you
Body
look
like that
malnourished.
you want, girl. Me look malnourished. At least me
Christ.
belly flat and in no stretch mark.
Beat up the girl. You're going to really make him a this or something. So much of that. Still use your mouth as a weapon. Your mouth is the most powerful
You
weapon.
have to beat.
This
You
the girl.
have to beat me. You are the one. I feel 19, me at 20. I feel 20 and you're 20. You can beat me. You have to like you can beat me.
Fight
You can
over
beat
man,
me.
I know my style. That fight for boy never in my chat. I don't have time for that. Come now, girl. Use your mouth, man. A weapon this big. Use it.
This little canky by me don't have time for it, you know.
Yeah, girl.
You look malnourished. You talk about me malnourished. Girl, you see if it was me like you, you see the stretch mark that on your belly, we have beg bread, you go down at the gym, go get them off, go exercise and get them off. Are you buy the stretch mark, remove a cream and get them off.
Sorry.
Hey,
I'm sorry, so you don't have them pictures. So you have your life product maker, your life.
girl.
Listen to me, listen to me well. You not talking with you. You know.
They can't talk to me.
What do me? Hey, look here. Anky punky something. Go on by your stop. Go on by your plane.
Hey,
You
the
know?
one that
Because
big.
at the wrong bus stop, you stop. Yes, it was like, we don't like you since that incident. Girl, lift up your handbrake and you go on. You step on gas. Take your something out. What you call them? P and put it in drive. Go pa. pay your way and go on with your business. You realize me people did say no. And me tell you say me now go stand up here so and argue with you over no man because the man they were worth it.
Yeah,
Miss, me answer back to you. Okay?
Yeah,
Me answering back to you. No, argue with you. No, you're not worth that. Girl, I'm not arguing.
Unless you got it there, so just a waste of
What?
Me say if I never want me just
You
grab
don't
your
know, girl,
ass.
what type
Please,
of
yo.
So do it then. We are we up and do it.
Girl, remember to me can't fight.
So tapping eyes then and step if you can't fight.
What you gonna do with that? What you gonna do with it?
What could not talk?
Because you look like saying you look a color. Why they pulling your lashes? Are they here? They may have their harm. They must say full.
No, here none of me, darling. Look like here and the fear.
You come like maturity. I get over you. Get over you. What you know? Cause you want to act like 17 right? You act like you're 40.
How old you act? Girl, you look like you're in your 80s. You pop down.
Look at me good. You see me falls now on the yellow?
You got on a false
Yeah,
wig.
I look at this. I wear all this wig.
Your wig day for 7 or 11. When all your mosquitoes.
You didn't want to say 1 or 0 wig, the darling. You didn't install
Then
good.
they will have edges.
You just have fly so.
We don't argue with people who for wig don't got no edges. Come. Look there.
Goodbye, take to Bismal.
Go. Jesus. Girl, why you have to do that? You never that serious, you know? You never that serious. Get what? You're mad. Me would have fight over man, but me would have fight for me dignity. Come remember you can't fight, girl. Me can't defend you right now.
Let me take up plastic. Hey!
Elastic.
I would have now your face in the slippers. You see if Kayna never hold me in a girl.
Me not hold you, but come. Come, girl, let's go.
Show me not time for waste matters like you. Pop, don't know what. Go fix up your look stretch man, never the fire belly. Go away.
Girl, me no walk with coward people, you know.
Girl, I show me right now.
You feel learn how to fight. What you mean by you know in that mood? You feel always in that mood.
Next time we gonna beat him.
What you mean by next
And next
time?
day gonna come and go see.
Girl, that was a golden opportunity. You make all the girl fling self on you. You're frog.
But then my sister me take off his supposed to beat him and you hold me.
No, but you're not supposed to do all of them and them there is too much. You understand? You know who you know in a long talking with girl when you fight, man. You just one pam pam, you know. You ever watch the Chinese show them and you hear what you as you hear what you hear I want like that then get. You know man, you know fit in a long talking with no girl or anything.
What? I thought about her respect.
Respect
She
you.
respect me mother making all this thing. She could have respect me more than 1 million times. You know, kiss me never tear off in face.
Then you shouldn't do it. I tell you, so this long talking business now.
Girl, and the sister me never know about a long talking.
No, sir. Deandra,
Mommy?
what's the last thing we said to you?
Mommy and the sister a dream.
A dream,
A dream, mommy.
a dream.
Yeah, go and back to your bed. No, me there, a dream. See how me catch him?
Yeah, man.
A dream.
Oh, that happened?
Oh no! You can't hack a dream. So you're not supposed to feel that. And you're not supposed to look up to
mommy,
you.
when you
Come down here.
Huh?
Miss Effie, come down here.
so mommy when you are asleep, no pinch yourself, you say a dream.
So, yes, her.
Nope.
I mean, you're really. Hold on. This little girl really grabbed me. This
Mommy,
little girl
I did
really grabbed
not grab you.
Come here. Miss Effie, come here, so since you don't understand, come here.
You're not gonna let me. Mommy, me
Deandra, you're
So,
really
fire.
trust.
Mommy, you come here, just salt up the dice. I know me can't get back it.
Mommy, me can't afford the fear shame in front of my friend all the time, you know, mommy.
In
Mommy
front
know
of you,
to
what?
pick him. My friend, my friend.
Let me tell you something here and now. Me I notice certain things with you, you know.
I notice.
Me I notice you're turn liar.
Mommy, I'm not lying to you.
Walk together.
Mommy, I'm not lying to you. I told her that I'm going down by the roundabout to collect the money from a friend, my all-time schoolmate, and I went down there and I did not see her. And I see Kayna. So me and Kayna was walking from up the road. Come down.
All you two, young lady, let me tell you something. Please and thanks. You see, you at the west, make sure you go up to the east, and vice versa. Because since
me never did bright in a school, you know what? I don't even know where my east is from, where my north or what's the
well, let me say clear. I'm far from a picnic because our head tough like a cocoa. So it now got through her head.
So I know my fault. My head tough.
Mommy, what you mean by me head tough like a cocoa?
It's tougher than cocoa.
So me not learn.
No, obviously. Obviously.
I mean, if me never go to school and learn, you come out with so much subject.
How much you come out with?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Which 5?
What you mean by?
Which 5? 5 what you say?
Take man and not get catch. Take man and get catch. Take man and jump through window. Take man and step through door.
Name them out, girl.
And at that them the 5 you want.
Yeah, girl, name them out.
Okay. Well, here what? Me now make una raise my pressure, you know. So, you know where your loyalty stand.
Yeah.
You know where your house stand. You know where your provider stand. Stand with it, stand.
Go on with host.
No. You are her G. So your response for your G.
No. G,
Bye,
alphabet.
me a dream now. Bye.
She not dream. Yeah, go on over, go near me. Your dinner, girl. No make she tell her no. Yeah, she can't show you because you not reach the age yet. No make she tell her no.
True.
But you reach the age to take man. Remember
True.
that.
Later, girl.
Yeah, try see if I can get my car trust. Go on.
Aye.
Yeah.
You miss out on part.
Oh, so you remember where your bread buttered? Eh? You remember where your bread buttered? You know what to do with you, man. You know what to do with you.
No time my bread can't butter.
Okay, it can't butter. Pass me the phone.
I can't take plastic now.
Plastic now work. Plastic now work.
How are you going to do with that?
You will know. Wally. Me say for hold it before me drop it on your foot. You hold it good? Come here, get Lego. Stand to there, cause you're a big man. Stand to there.
Me can't manage this, you know.
Wait enough for you.
Mommy, me can't manage.
You're a big man.
Mommy, me can't put it down.
No.
About this, me.
You can't put it down because you can't be trusted. Put it down, let me see. Put it down, let me see. Okay. Stand to there. Put it down, let me show you what happened.
Jesus Christ. Why am I so wicked? Jesus, please, I can't wait to come out of this. Father God, help me.
Since you is either big woman or picnic in this, put it down. Make it drop on ground. Me take your phone D. And that wasn't good enough for you. Eh? Me try to talk to you like an adult. That wasn't good enough for you.
Talk to me like adult.
You
talk to me like adult. You treat me like me a 5-year-old, so you talk to me like adult.
When the other day, when me come round, before me go up on the road, me not talk to you. Calm as a breeze. Even explain to you why me not like the girl. Why the girl lead you astray.
Mommy, you know, say between me and you, me know why you hate Kayna. Because Kayna your friend. You so boop so man. You can't your friend take him man for himself and do it for you.
Okay.
So if you say that's and corrupt your man against
No
Kayna.
problem. No problem. Make it drop. Move! Me tell you to move. You're a big woman in this. Make it drop.
Mommy, me nah make
it drop.
Mommy, me nah make it drop.
Make it drop. Come on, want you to make it drop. You're a big woman under this. A two big women are rolling there, so.
No, mom.
Let me tell you something, little girl. Oh, hush. Hush. A bigger things you want. A island bamboo you want for come bun you. That's not bun you yet. That not bun you yet.
Nothing like that, mom.
Okay, nothing like that because me a born idiot. Eh?
Bamboo, one name bamboo.
Okay, one name bamboo. All right. All right. Let me tell you something. You see, this year, once you leave my yard, you know, and your response. But you see, once you're in my yard, it no go so. Cause Deandra, anything can happen to you out there, you know. And who them gonna look back upon? The parents. How she lower, the little small. Look how she's small built. Eh? You know, even watch a girl child and a girl child. And then you hear some, me are the bad mother. No. You want to take the weight to the world? Take little weight in your hand. Make it drop. Or make me see nothing blue or ground. Cause money me pay for my detergent. And the money me pay for my broke them. So make none of them block. Make it drop. I'm broke. Or make it drop.
This a black look like it passed through storm.
Okay, and it's still there. You don't know nothing about storm yet. Young but no storm.
You know something like
Okay. Me give you the opportunity already. Me give the opportunity for fly away, young bud. You fly, come back here. So in this yard are my rules. And you don't know when me I look through the window. Put it on, let me see. Road rank and how to harder in this boat.
Father God, when we come out of this. Oh, Jesus Christ.
So how you get the phone, my girl? Let go. How you get the phone? So same way, so you wanna end my life. And you come in and come see me asleep.
But mommy not like me, I'm just like me on a call. Just there on my phone, TikTok.
Before TikTok go pay you. Before you look and start make money and earn money off of this thing. You know, so you can start business and make money off of phone too.
So mommy, give me money to start business.
What is not there, you make away. Huh?
I'm going to make it.
Me will give you the money for this, you know. Me will mash this up, no problem.
Mash up what? And I thought not for your money buy, my father money buy, so you want mash up.
So how much you pay for this?
About 20,000.
Oh, about 20,000, you're lucky. Eh? Me will mash it up for you and give you the money to buy food and start a business or start something. Deandra, you have to look into it, man.
What gear go to say you want mash up my phone now?
Because I not see you do not a thing productive. Eh? You finish school now. You say, oh, I finished all these subjects. I not see you do nothing with them. Do what? Okay, but you're ready for yam and drink and TikTok and twerk.
So mom, no, you feed me now. You gotta take me for what me need.
Okay, okay, so me must put you back. Okay, well then since today I make you say it, you done there already. Carry on back answering, man. A one black you get yesterday. Mine are two I go come. Because talking no work. Everything me do no work.
I have to say punishment no work. Hours, I'm going to get saved
Okay. Better that. Better you. Since you're so too small and not good enough, why you not lift up, Deandra? Because once you're living under this roof, you know, you have to go take my nagging, you know. Come my roof.
Yeah, we have to go take your nagging.
You have to go take what me give you.
For how long?
Until you lift up. You're big bud now, so fly.
Mommy, time soon come.
Okay, so fly or tolerate. Cause me not turn you and take your foolishness.
Yeah, you know. Mommy, what by the way, where did I go there first?
Me, I go out. Me, I go look for my friend. We can have a better conversation with she. And you and she are young people and she have more sense.
Your manga friend.
Moody, she name.
What's your manga?
And you fat.
Yeah.
You know, sir, you're the on borrowed time. I hope you realize you're the on borrowed time. Because me now make you turn here and rule me, you know. So, at my place, you tell me say you're a big woman, try find something to do to provide for yourself. And come out. Sooner very soon is not a date. Try get a date. Because okay. So when me leave you? When me say me leave you? So when me must come find you? Okay, because the only way you disappear is if you come tell me say you get a good job and you provide for yourself. But since you now do that, me leave you here so, me I go come find you here so. Me now no time for foolishness with
going
you.
with my phone?
Relax. Mother and daughter so sweet.
Morning.
Morning.
Evening, afternoon.
Morning, baby, alright? Oh, so this is so important. You couldn't tell me on the
About
phone.
your daughter and the same friend. Me need to sit down and talk to that. And if I have a talk with your daughter, sit her down for one good 2-3 hours. Can you come like her ears no bore? Me come to you over the yard for this me you come back, me see her. The next one, my sister sit down, she dey mount me.
Hold
You
on.
know nothing about it. Me look salt you give me, I feel dash salt pan if you know yourself. Sorry if you dash salt for your daughter, but you know no manners, man.
Hold on. She did there with the what this friend?
Yeah. Friend of both side tell her to beat me and ray with herself.
With
Yes, your daughter.
me can say she put her hand on you.
No?
Me can say me apologize for that. And you not have to apologize for nothing because right now me have her under punishment. Me make she whole black. Me
That not change people nowadays.
don't know what. Me beat her, me talk to her. Jaja. Me don't know what else to do, you know. Next thing me gonna do is pepper her for her to drop that different.
And I think that's gonna make you drop your friend either.
Oh, me
All
can-
thing I can tell her to do is pray.
Oh, me do that too. The things that got tired of hear from me with her.
And I'm not tired of you. I don't know if you tell her to do about your daughter, but that friend that she have, is it from me and that friend that she have kick off at the party and sitting so she me have and so she go on. And I say they're gonna come with she and her, whatever go kick off, I could lead the same way as well. I don't have nothing to say about your daughter and I have no manners and she go continue to the friend that lead her astray. But and people have problems everywhere she go.
You know, say, me go down go talk to her because I can't manage with it, you know. Me beat her, me talk to her, me punish her. Yesterday me have her little girl. Don't do that to your mother, you see? You see, when you're growing up, grow up nice and sweet the way you is nice and sweet and stick to your mother like how you stick to your mother now. Yeah, be a good girl because you can't manage with the moderation, you know. Me sorry for what happened with you and she, but
No, I'm not even have no salt in my yard.
Lord.
Say come that she salt on him.
You know, should the whole life.
Everything.
You gotta talk to her because we can't take the moderation, you know.
I can like, come on, me walk up the road.
We can't take it. Come here.
Ready?
Mommy there.
Me no say na there. Me see him and he look. Yes, that's something there. Up there so. They don't walk she and her look a kid. Not a thing. I say, you did. Oh, you did. No, come here. You didn't even know if you sit down. You did still do where did say you go do? You still up to do it, cause girl.
Yeah, girl, I know.
Him, man soon come. Yes. Me no know. Me no really business about that. But him man soon come. So me want him man like. Me want. If you have to do it, me soon tell you plan do. When a time up somewhere or something. You're mad. Why you starving? Feed the five in no do nothing. Yeah, idea. You must be feeding pan to tough mango and some guinea. To come on. You want starve him? Me I go give mango and guinea. What you mean by wicked? Not every day. How long you have plan to hold it? How long you have plan to hold it? What you mean by bread work? Yeah, you that. You're mad. I not commit no crime for so long. Me just want you do it until me say no. A man rich and they can't find her. So man we left her and say she careless. And with me as the caring one, you know, girl. You feel me?
Me ask someone.
What?
Where do you want back, man?
Never say me want him, but me want back revenge. The man stand me up like one of them big idiot. They run up, have me tell him and have me run up for a whole long time. Idiot, me and wait for now till the morning, and they still never reach. Me still vex about it. Me not let go that. Yes, me feel it too. You man, all me there on there walk and I tell people, oh my boyfriend also come. You know how people them look for me like an idiot in that day when me I check out. What?
No. I thought me and my friend.
You could never so bright, man.
When me can make him move.
Even today, come you can't come out here. Cause your mother not there, you know me tell you say man walk with this long
girl,
mark
me
of
can
girl.
make it quick. Can't make it quick. Can't come out here.
Alright. So go and then know what you're waiting on. Yes.
Yes, my dear. Me tell you, so the child give me a warm time. Claire, let me phone you back, my dear. Cause me just see a big bad duppy. And this your duppy, no say me a duppy conqueror. So me I go conquer the duppy right you know. Later. How the backside you ask me? Since when me have to justify myself to you? I mean I live in your place?
No.
So hold on, Deandra. Me not leave the yard until you say you know to leave the yard. What you do out here, sir?
You tell me something to leave there, but your friend see me and like the baby give me. And then some man run me down. Then he take away baby from me. And kidnap me the baby. And then they want to kidnap me too. So he take the baby from me. One man take the baby from me. And one did I run me down and me run. And come back up now.
So how you name a run now? Eh?
Cause me run
How
and
you
me
not
tired.
sweat?
Me don't know about me tired.
So the pig you raised the mother, you know, and the granny dead. Me I go find out because me and you, cause me tired of your lies, you know.
Mommy, me not tell her no lie, mommy. Why would I tell her lie? Me tell her say girl left the baby with me for true. And me and the girl baby did all this one. And they kidnap the baby and one man them did that run me down. And me run come out and me book up in you.
Run you down.
Yes.
Moody, I go leave picnic with you.
Me not human being.
Hey, with responsibility.
Yes.
You can't respond for nothing. But technology there. Now move. Cause when she tell me say I lie, me want to see what you gonna do. What you gonna do in this?
Mommy.
Moody, hello, not tight yet. Moody, hello, darling. Hello. Tell me something. You have a little angel baby with you? You leave her with my daughter?
You never lie me, I tell you, this is true.
Moody, what you do now? Jesus Christ. Make sure. Hold on there. Make sure you tell me it's true, you know.
True,
And a lie you tell now.
Yeah, tell her.
Come here about to tell the woman, you know.
Tell you, man.
Me and you. Jesus Christ. Jesus, Moody, me don't know how to tell. Moody, stop what you do. Stop what you do. Sit down, little. Sit down. Me can't believe you leave the little angel with my troublesome daughter. Eh? Me don't know how to tell you this, baby, so me just have to go. Me all a sweat. Me just have to go let it out. Baby, me don't know what if you do. You have to go down a station. You have to go down a station. Because me just woke up my daughter on her own and she tell me say, man grab the picnic and run her down to go a station. Yes. Yes, and mood, go station. Me I go meet Moody. Me I go meet you. Go station. Me I go meet you at station. Jesus, me can't take the cow ball in my ears. I lie you tell.
Mommy, look for me good. Me look like me, I tell lie.
So how Moody see you and leave you with the picnic and she not like you?
Moody not like me. I know what's not like her, but me no know. She just let me baby give me. So she go deal with something. So she let the baby give me.
Me can't. That's why me tell you, say we can't take the moderation. If you never come out to the damn yard, none of this would happen. And if it happened, your name couldn't call Penny.
Oh, my mommy, either way, where you take mommy. If something help me, that always happen.
Always happen. No police are gonna deal with you.
Police are deal with
You is the last person to the poor child. Yeah, that's what I tell you. Don't leave that rotten yard. Look what kind of botheration you carry me in a now.
What kind of botheration?
Yeah, idiot.
Oh, me fi be idiot.
He's a friggin' idiot.
Oh, mommy. You want to put me so far up there, so I feel like some ears are happening.
Your ear's not hot yet.
Mommy, me tell her what happened. Moody see me, you know, Moody don't like him worse and I can't she beg me to stay with the baby and stay with the baby. And the man them see me and they hold on the baby. And me get way. They want me to and me get way. And me run off and the man them start run me down, mommy. And they hold on the baby.
You know, sir, me not believe you know. Me I go tell you outright and straight. And the only thing saving your hide right now is because the child tell me say she leave the baby with you for true. Although me not understand that because that not even make no common sense to me. But watch me and you. And at that, you go on till you have, if anyhow this are true, a police you bring on me yard now. Because police are go on know who is the last person to see the child, who to see the child.
I don't feel like telling you that.
Okay, and you're not business. You're not bend down yet. Where the block there? Where the block there?
You give me black for one today, I want to give me again. I don't feel like something there. No.
You not feel like you're something you need to change.
Punish me.
No change. No change, man. Me take away your phone, that not do nothing. Me beat you, that not do nothing. Me talk to you, that do even less. Alright. Since black that do nothing for you. Come here, you see the pile of bag them out there, sir? Me a call the dirty blacks to come clean from where they. Tomorrow morning, you're going to go in and you tear up dirty clothes. You're going to strip it down to dirty clothes. And we want everything gone. You see the bag them? We want everything gone. Not clean nothing. Not clean nothing. Not clean nothing, man. Not clean nothing. I drop me and make. Not clean it. Not clean it. Tomorrow morning, 12 o'clock, everything for clean. How? Cha-cha. You alright?
Yeah, me alright.
I couldn't sleep last night.
Me either.
That poor baby girl.
Poor she.
Why people are so wicked?
But mommy, a whole heap of gunny man them have, you know?
Jesus.
Me say, mommy, me see how someone gone long so. So, mommy, me catch me panic. Me need want fight back for little girl, you know. But me catch me panic, mommy.
No, you do the best thing, cause look you there now.
Yeah, me need fight back, maybe more than 6 feet deep right now.
Jesus.
I want to my eyes.
No, son, I said that. We're sorry for her and
I hope the
everything.
Father God didn't do her nothing.
No,
And just hold her and don't hurt her.
they shouldn't even take her in the first place. What that little angel do anybody? Jeez.
I mean, maybe then
We
take
just feel
maybe then take her go a black market.
Lord God, all that too.
Organs and this,
Oh God, all that too.
just a pray for none of that no happen to her.
Oh Jesus.
How when they kidnap people nowadays are that they do.
Mm-hmm.
Or they rape them and kill them.
Oh God, little baby. All me do is say, thank God, my baby come home. And me just a pray. Me just a pray, say, the baby all right. And Moody find her.
Even though me not like a little manga friend, you know, me glad me feel it for her.
Yes, man, because Moody all right. She nice. She not deserve this.
She's not that nice.
None.
She that sad fan.
Well,
Now
you
forgive
did
her.
deserve it.
She alright.
We go down a station, you know. We go down a station, we report the matter, everything. And I decide to me, nah, stop, look, me nah, stop, look at him and find me that if I search the whole of Jamaica, if I walk by water, I go look, me have to look.
You have to, you can't stop, baby girl, and you have to have faith. Oh God, we feel for you. We feel for you. You see, anybody who do that is a wicked.
Wicked with you.
Them wicked bad.
So I want God tear their heart to their chest.
Yes.
No.
What you mean
No,
no?
you can't say that no matter the obstacles and the circumstances. You can't say that.
Of course.
A human being, them too, you can't say
Them
that.
are no human being.
You pick me a human being to girl, but
God forbid, who to tell you to come back alive.
Oh God, don't say that. You have
but
to
God
think
forbid,
positive.
God do not answer our bad prayer.
I'm sorry for that.
Yes. Yes.
What you going to need to go do?
Happy. Even if it's blood, you're happy. Because a justice that is wickedness what them do. Oh God. Oh God. Me feel for you, as a mother, me feel for you. You see who did that? If it's a man, then lob it off. I make him and then even anesthetize him. I make him feel the pain. And you see if it's a woman, if it's real, no. Then for cut out.
No, you cannot say that, mommy. Why you do that?
What you mean? A justice. And them not for put her for sleep neither. If it's a woman, that is even wicked if it's a woman do that. Yes, and set fire to her.
Do that.
Them know that. Them know where you go through.
You can't say there's something there.
Whoever do this caller, a justice. Yes. Not a true.
Look at your mother. You can't manage nobody.
Listen to me. A mother will do anything in this world to come and to a picnic. That's another area where you have. So, in the future, if you plan to breed, you know if you have a child. Okay.
But you cannot say there's something there. God do not answer bad prayer.
You know that's in a God mind.
God good and God bad. When God depart the sea, the wide and Moses and his disciples them, if you feel like he did lock you up back on the Pharaohs them. He locked them up back and killed more than 10,000 of them.
You make a point. All horse dead too.
So run putting people in know if anybody.
God children.
Anybody with God me pick.
Yes. Yes.
When I done pray and when me done with anybody with God my pick me shall me pick me what come up in here.
Yes.
And I must
in the name of God.
Breaking news.
See why was breaking news? You don't see nobody. Hey man, them are so long ever gone, you know. Me not think no time soon police won't find them.
And
not find my
man
find the
stick
baby.
up people with gun and gun stick.
Yes.
And I feel God good so.
When I find who take the picnic.
Why you would say that, Deja?
Why me
We have tried.
Why you suspect me? Girl,
How
what me
you
look like?
suspect
You
my
look like you
daughter?
mash ants.
Hold on. How
Why
you
me have to
suspect
run
my
out of the
daughter?
yard?
She might have a mouth on her, but
I don't business. Me and me have to run out of the yard. You can't come here to me, girl, because
No,
me ain't a friend of
but
me like you.
Moody, you do wrong though. As bad as Deja is, she have a mouth on her, yes. But my daughter wouldn't do that. Don't do that.
Tell him again.
My
No,
daughter
listen to
face
us,
gun
yeah.
for your child.
When the man them back the long ever AK for me, did you dare to fight for me and your daughter?
You
No,
come
you
back.
never did it.
You come back, right?
All right.
Come
all right.
around. Where you
Deja,
want
me
me
know
know?
your temper. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Me know
Uncle
your
Marga
temper.
string
Go
him,
on.
girl, man.
Moody. Oh God. As a mother, me feel your pain, man. Me feel your pain. I don't know what it is to lose a child, but Jesus. And I have two mothers' tears on him, you know. A two mother praise on him. So you go find your angel. Yeah, you go find her. Yes, you go find her. You have to keep positive. As hard as it is, you have to keep positive. And whenever you want to talk or anything, night or day, just phone me or come round. No mind, Deja. Me there for you. I just phone me come to you, you come to me, whatever, me there. And me I pray for you and the baby. Cause she too sweet. Oh God. That sweet little baby girl though.
I know, I'm looking for a search because I didn't sleep last night. I not get enough of my sleep. I not eat. I give me belly full, right now my belly full. I don't want nothing.
No, baby. No, baby, I the shock I do it to you. You have to eat here. You have to look after yourself. Cause you see when your little angel come home, what she gonna do if mommy's sick?
My body not cough enough for me, just a cough is my pain.
You have to go round your mind and you still have to
When you
eat.
come home, me eat something.
No, you have to be strong for her. It's tough, you know, but you have to be strong for her. Here, me I go cook food for you. I mean, no, say you go home and you not go cook. Me I go cook food for you till she come home, so you don't have to worry about pot again. Here, you have to keep strong because you can't come home to our mother in a hospital or worse. You have to keep strong for your little baby girl. You go find her, man.
Yes, never fine.
Little from this, she go skipping, and the brute who do it, man or woman, I go get God justice. Don't worry, God not sleep.
Never sleep, never feel. Yes, never walk again, you know, cause me I walk out of the district this time.
All right, baby. All right. May I call her name everywhere me go and look here? All right. Jesus Christ.
Girl,
Yeah.
I know. You don't feel like me, but I want to do this no more, you know.
When we
Because
know.
right now, mommy, I plan to chant some prayer. And see, any prayer mommy chant, it always happens. So, feel like me I go back out, you know. Girl, me
You
want
can't
back
back out
out.
of your island. Where you back out and go left me? Where you back out?
Girl,
And look here.
anything mommy say, any prayer mommy pray, it always happen. Me no want no do me. Me want have me home.
Well, tell Moody, you don't want to pick me in the future. Eh? Me have them gear if you want. Maybe tell you this. Me not make that the picnic they go back to our mother until
What?
Moody give me the man.
Until Moody get the man. See,
Yes,
go-
so convince Moody somewhere, somehow. And girl, let me tell you this here. Your idea and me go through with it. So you can back out left me and say no. You better back and your back go far in the plan, not out of it.
Girl, me too. Do this no more. Mommy, I pray bad prayer. Mommy, bad prayer. Then pray. Then catch me home. Me go, man.
Me have a picnic here.
And then
Simple.
the 6 feet deep.
Oh yeah, the 6 feet deep. I
I
just
mean,
your
I want
one.
the people in dead who take the baby. I mean, I want dead.
I will take it and then walk at it, number walk baby walk. So she come herself, nothing to do, you know. No, just convince Moody. Tell Moody say. No, just whisper now, are you sending one like an anonymous note? Like, and
Me
say,
must say, I know my friend like that. Me must say, girl,
that's why I know. Oh, anonymous, she not gonna send it. You just write and say, alright, just if you want to pick me, left the man. Cause if you say, left the man for such and such, you go no see away. So you have to say, left the man alone.
You see when me
And
say
that alone.
I'm gonna say to her, so understand. So you see when if you want your picnic, you me tell her why that picnic get kidnapped. Because
No,
of the man.
you can't say that. You are gonna know too much. Then go no see how you think. No man, you cannot do this.
Oh, me gonna say to him now, but make you look like a man.
That's why you're gonna
Me
send
gonna tell him say words
anonymous.
in the street that the man where you there with a drugs deal, and the reason why they take a picnic because they want the man and they can't catch Kwaku, so they catch him short.
That work.
Yeah.
Yeah, that work. But you can back out left me, no.
Girl, me Me just afraid I pray, then my mommy gonna pray.
I know you, me tell her say don't go catch your little girl walk by herself, come with you, I know you take her, she walk by herself.
True.
Think about it, yeah, no, not there, man. If a bad prayer do work, no, worry, for your funeral.
Don't touch me when come a funeral. What you mean gonna come a funeral? See, you want me dead? You want to play bad prayer for me?
But me I say in case, girl, like what if?
All this morning, girl, come over yard. You know why you and my mommy over there chant? You have to tell him don't do that. I'm feel guilty.
But wait, if them have prayer, bad prayer, then they say them a person who have a kid that go feel it too. Then it say so.
Yes.
Well, take a picture and listen.
No, you're not. That is left me now.
Me not
Girl.
back out.
Me say if you back out, me a go hug me mouth, me a go chat and you back out left me. I told you this thing, you know.
Are you gonna get more prison time down, Mr. Chat? Are you gonna go take her or something? I know me. Me can't tell them. So look here, she can come and say, I fear her niece or something. I said, if you watch him, I did I watch him.
Girl,
Your phone no good.
record.
You don't have no phone. Bye.
Me don't have no phone. You will see. Back out that left me, I you see. Well, I feel my back out for me because I mistake. Oh God. Let me take up on myself. Oh God.
Listen, man, you ever sit on a roadside like you don't have nobody? No yard, no. You know ambition?
Girl, don't come by me, cause if you did have ambition and have a stable life, you pick me. Won't no miss so don't come by me.
Now repeat yourself.
If you did have a stable life and have ambition and know if you sit down with a picnic, you won't no miss so in the first place. You come and say I can't argue with me about
And
me, no?
you know how my child went missing?
I don't know nothing about your child.
Okay, so why they say yap off your beat?
Because you're careless.
Why they say yap?
Me and yap off my beat, you're careless, girl. Because if you never careless, your picnic won't no missing at the first.
Only
place.
careless person is here, because a careless person doesn't sit on a roadside like that and nobody had it for me.
And when
You see me a roadside?
girl,
I pass me
girl, oh me if you dead be hungry when you come on my yard, I beg salt.
I never even beg you, man.
And I beg food. Oh me if you hungry, I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna feed you.
Look at me now, have nobody, you know, I used to go roadside with the energy like you have 50 husband and 60 pitney.
So if I never want me take the back and bust your face. Anyways, words in the streets that the man where you deal with is a drugs dealer, and the reason why your picnic missing are because they want your man. And then if you don't catch your man, so they say can't catch quack or then catch your shot, and that's why your picnic missing. You see the day
Words in the street, oh me not hear the words in the street.
you're gonna hear it's pretty soon. You see? Anyhow, you don't left that man, and them don't catch that man, your picnic not going to come back. So you make sure left the man, tell the man so the relationship done. And it make the rest there so. I know they want him man dead or alive. So you make sure left him, because if you not left him, your life are going to jeopardy too. Girl, don't look at me because I can't mash hands. Me did I go record it this morning on my phone, but I said you last it never did I touch. I couldn't get to record it. But girl, me I tell you, it better you left the man, because the man go put your life in a jeopardy. Even though me and you no friend, and me know me and you no plan pizza line, and you no like me and me wasn't like you, it better you left the man, because the man go put your life in a jeopardy.
It's not like you know more than a man.
Girl, me in the streets every day, even though my mother don't want me on the road, me in the streets every day. You know
You got come in the streets too.
yeah, come in the streets, you will hear more. I go here chase lead to where your picnic is. But then I go hear the one they farm, because I'm in farmer. Because the man, he gun them with the man. Girl, I'm if you know your picnic there.
So you just see a while ago say, you're going to hear trace in the streets lead to my picnic and you're not going to be the one to talk.
Me not going to be the one to talk on here because me not in farmer. Me just a put up on your yard and the gun them with the man, them pipe on me. Me no want no more than the pen for me because me piss and shit same time and it don't come down. So that never happen to me again.
Yes.
Yeah.
I fast maybe fast and I just have my mouth. Me I go search with my pitney.
Yeah, go on, man. Better you left him man alone.
And then my pitney put that they do. Father God. Look, me ask everybody, nobody no see her, no. One time if you go out of town, go ask. Alright? You know what I'm going to life, you know. Pay the structure and probably take me. I want to make it see me down.
So me can look at him. I'm like, yeah, you know. Oh, no man, me are too sweet in them outside. Me here say put me so how that I go feel.
It's not going well.
Can't tell. I see you sucking seed.
Yes, because I'm going to succeed.
And that you don't suck with the man from me. You
Part of
suck the
life.
man seed and
You the
suck
top
him more
about man
from
right
me.
now. I'm not talking about man. I'm a pitney.
Me a chat about it because even though we still not get a clear answer. Because you stand me up, you have me run that place away upon all long and you still suck with the man or take with the man from me.
No, I'm not talking about man. I'm pitney. Me they defend now. So if you go help me look for you, come go help me look for you to talk to me about
When
man.
I help you look for him, free up him and then you find your picking him.
What do you mean for man? I'm get my pitney.
The word, this is what the word just say. The same thing what you think mean or that you mean. They say, as me say, you have to let go the distraction to get the attraction. I mean, no say kid is your attraction, you know. So if you want him and you have to just let what? If you want to pick me, you have to just let go the man and done. You hold on to something that don't need holding on to. Me hear say man a jokes feel true.
What?
Me hear say man a care jokes true. Girl, me say. So some people they up there so with some hey girl. I tell you man, some people they up there so but girl, it go long so me say girl, you shouldn't see it. You see all the food they right there so they turn up there so you couldn't see it going from all done this way we a whole pint long goat so long gunny man them have them a chat about yo me looking for this that man and from there describe him no say your baby father them a chat. And them I say them could catch quack so then catch a shot. And if not a man must show up when they having kid cause they say a father's love is so strong. So girl, if you know what good for you, you left that man there before then catch you to then catch your next quack. I know
So you know what me pitney there?
I'm looking from New York. Me tell you say, you see right now, me tell you. You see right now, anyhow you're good on so and then you bossy bad left girl. You go see one nice set of black people them. They mask up and such. You can't miss them. So anytime you go down there and they're just in a full black in a hoodie. Anytime you go down there, you just go down there like you buy some eye shop or when you want, just go eye shop. Then they rap and they look up here, man. You see when you just go down there, you will see them a chat, just cock your ears and listen. You go hear so.
So me
And then me go buy 2 sweetie just for hear look something. I guess me say gun them just line out so.
So me you want to go there for them shoot me in my body one?
No, you want find the pitney? Yeah, nanny. Are you nanny of the marrow?
It looks.
Can your body catch bullet?
Maybe
Where tight way.
can lucky me.
Oh, yeah, well you can go try. Ask them 2 questions and then you open up plop, plop. Catch 2 bullets and you will get to ask 2 questions.
No, so that's me like if I'm morning going on manners.
Ah, what you mean by now you come up with a body and bullet argument. Go on and you have the maroons.
Alright, bust them auntie.
I said, yeah. Yo. Yes, yes. Listen, girl. Maybe turns out, girl. Let me tell you what happened. See me now. And when I walk out, go back. When I look, I see she. I say, what do you? I say, can I pick me as one so I tell say so, me see some man done done I shop done this so. I said, whatever gun they done there. I mean say me I go buy 2 sweetie just to hear what them a say. Right now sweetie them in more time. And that's what me did that tell her but never go so. But when they buy 2 sweetie with you.
Well, me see a writer so she come contact about as they like me sit down on roadside.
Mm.
And I get up and I start to talk with her.
Mm-mm.
Remember me tell her something going to tell her?
Mm-hmm.
Me tell her that girl. And he said, God Almighty, why me want so sad? So me tell her, say, fear life going at jeopardy too. Say, better she left the man.
Oh, don't sit there showing. Weird. Mm-hmm. Girl, I find a piece of like, I know some have to match for like, any of me, I line no match, you go no say something, right?
Me tell her,
But yeah,
say,
me tell them in a back out. But if you go and go around the mouth, you can't go and come tell them, I want to go prison, you don't get enough time to pick me come with you. Mm-mm. And me tell them, say, any of your chat say, me did have him, man, me I tell you, say. Me I tell them, say, it was your plan. And tell them, say, you come with the picnic and say, if me can watch a kid for you, you so come for me, you're going to do something. And I don't know what you do, but me watch the kid. And me make sure me treat her nice, so that if not, she can tell them, say, oh, I persuaded have me treat me nice. Yeah, someone want to go.
I see you. Sometimes I have to wonder if you're really my friend, you know.
We do.
Because after the whole of it, all plan upon kidnap me, them picnic.
Are you a fear money come to? I just follow through with it. Come tell you, you know. And where are that? Totally, man. The man give a fall. It takes so long for this big foreign man to just come, you know, like come to me or something.
Like, nah, compare. Nah, compare. Compare.
Anything, comply.
Anything.
Mm.
Man, nah, compare with it. Right now.
Girl, right. Stop all. Osh. It's okay.
I lick my picnic.
No, son. Wow.
Dee, what do you?
Take back bulldog.
What you crying
And up
for?
a conqueror.
I lick your liquor.
No.
So what you crying for? Come, what you crying for? You drop her.
No, cause she see her. I just say she not for there so with me, so she start back cause she know I want where you going.
And that's your ball for? And that's your ball for?
Tell her, your bulldog cut up a conqueror. No, anyhow you did my mother. If me no run away, me go me but me save you or something, cause boy, you're conquering too much, man.
My conquering too much.
Yeah.
My conquering too much.
Mm-hmm.
The hard air speak me.
It's not hard. You just have to teach them while them young. You never teach her while she young. That's why she turn out
Oh,
like this.
okay. So let me teach you now.
No, me no
Make you
want.
stand up on one foot. Stand up on one foot and hold your two hands there up in the air.
Setting. Oh God.
Mm-hmm.
I never get my punishment at school, so you come and punish me. So
Because your friends say, me never, and everybody never bend you when you did young. So
It trade don't
bend
go
for
already.
now.
Take
Bend
this
now.
bamboo for instance. Try bending now and see if it a go bend. It can't bend. But it no make no sense to do this in done firm and strong already.
You know, so if you want to come through my front door, you better turn up on one foot. I never tell you to
Sit down to where how you punish all fashion. Before you say, you know what? Give me the phone. Give me something where you know say she go on. Take all the clothes, man. That you have to do.
You know, go hurt me. Kind of really good.
You know what? This no good neither. So, as your friend say me have to do something else, put on your foot.
Me never
That
say
is
so.
a waste of time.
Me never say so.
You have to go. You have to go find somewhere because me and you can't manage.
Come on, me
Because
yard.
beating no work, talking no work,
No.
punishment no work. Me not make you
What you
unalive
mean
me
find
around.
Because my father have money in the house. How I
You are
must
your
find
father.
somewhere.
You are your father. Find
I pay him
somewhere.
sperms, met
Oh
me.
dear, let me
Pay him
teach you
sperms,
something.
met my mommy, something that
Let
coming
me
out of your
teach you
house.
something. Your father never teach you. In law and law run the land. In law is what is on pen and paper, and my name, and my name alone upon the paper. So him can put whatever you want in it, and you can call whatever you want in it, and my name upon the paper.
Get me a police alcohol and pull a
Really? Okay. So cops. I'm not telling you argue with you, you know. If you not come out and find this place, me go find place put you. Come me and you Can't tell for it.
Make sure find place put yeah. Yeah. But me not say she a prayer. Where say she a prayer?
That means you start praying, man. But me not sleep tonight, you know. Me a listen girl.
Every time she a prayer, you just interrupt a prayer, say hallelujah. You make she know say you feel the prayer. Yes, but not do it too much. You ain't go suspect. Your mother no look forward. Yeah, just that me come to tell her say. Oh, where did you know? Where did you go on? Where tell her say?
Tell him say,
Mhm.
the man a drugs dealer,
Mhm.
and they want him man
Want
dead or
him.
alive. I want to kill him.
Hey, bamboo. I thought
They
I was
want
up it up
him
till
man
like.
dead or alive,
Mhm.
and then can't catch Kwaku, then catch his shot. So
Mhm.
then catch his daughter, cause then can't catch his man. So if you let go the man, if you let go the man,
Good.
and him a go get catch next.
Me tell her say. Then could catch a quack and they get a shot. And she had another shirt. She had a t-shirt too, so then man they catch for your shirt too. Same thing me tell her. So me tell him say better leave them on alone or something. But it's cool. Girl, you can't make nobody see we so then we say we have to interact too much or we suspect something. What if them follow me come here and find the picnic did it? Mm-hmm. Bye.
They ask
Yeah, my grandma come here. You're Rudy.
Lick him. Lick him. Yes. Yeah. That's your food. Yes, man. Lick him. Lick him.
You have time to play a game. You know, so me now wait for the police them. Me can't wait for the police to go out figure start search now party yet or whatever what any amount of hour then tell me if you me can't wait for the police them. Me I gonna go myself and me I gonna start dig up for me picnic. Cause me
So
you
what
know
them say? What the police them say?
them a investigate. Them a run checks. Before them get up out of the office where them in a run to go with 20, 30 Jeep and go search, then sit down and do paperwork.
And then they see it here. Only one Jeep per station. We can't. Jesus.
You know where police them in I know.
Oh God, baby. Cause them now feel your pain. Them is not mothers feeling the pain. And I help them give. Oh God. Me feel, you know.
Me all had you know far me I walk from.
Oh God, where?
No longer station. This said to me
God.
not take the job coming out. Nobody brush against me this morning.
Mm-hmm. All right. You want little later, me and you go down the town and go search and we can print up. Your picture.
Yeah, me a picture with
All
her.
right. Choose them always say choose a recent picture. So get a recent picture. And 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock me meet you and we go library and print off the picture them. And me and you go put up the picture everywhere. Here we have to fight there. You have to keep positive moody.
Them, you know them people at police in Jamaica kind of cause all they do then just walk and antagonize and fatigue people. Then for do them work, they don't want to do them work. No people you know what the people out there missing up until now they're not even move an inch to look for them.
Them not
Tell them
care.
there's something to do for them people now, they find them quick and fast.
Or if it's for them people are VIP. So that's why we as a community we have to come together and do a thing.
Them people are now come together with nobody, the whole thing they're good for sit down for any man gossip. Yap, chat, like them yam fall batty.
All right, baby. You can't take mine of them. Here.
My daughter me want find right now and then want me get bring in and me just walk and just start there. Everybody me see them.
We know. But God and justice, you know, them can hide from man, but they can't hide from God.
God working mysterious ways, you know. But boy, me tell you sometimes, me can't wait pancard, you know. Because right now, me can't wait no longer. Too much hours pass off. I'm going to see my daughter come back.
God, that was hot. All right, baby girl. Me have pop on fire. That's why me have breeze off. But me have meet you 3 o'clock. Me have meet you.
All right.
Right? Get a one. It can't be more than I didn't say more than a month old. The most recent picture you have of the little
picture with
angel.
her now early last month.
All right, and you remember what she was wearing and everything.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna print up. Some thingy poster. With your number and thing and what she was wearing and thing. We have to line our own hand. We have to do it with self.
No, make them vote him back Andrew because Andrew him then if you vote him out. Vote him down. Cause all him do is just collect the bag of money in the man, just sit down on him before he make Jamaica a better place. He must support the thief them, he must support the rapists them, he must support the killer them. We can't deal with them.
But you know, no say that not mean nothing, baby girl. Cause already lose election, he still win. So fear and fear, no matter in a politics, a politics it name. It trick the people them. So we have to come together and do it ourselves. Hold the faith, Moody. Hold the faith. You're gonna get back your baby girl. Me are gonna meet you and we are gonna put up the post. You see the person who do it? Hey, them thing are gonna rotten off, and you're gonna turn and hear it. You're gonna hear the judgment that what happened to them. Cause it's a wickedness. Trouble God's anointed little baby angel like that. A mother's tears is a powerful thing in a Moody. Mother's tears depend the brute them. Judgment for them.
Not even know she eat, if she bathe, or what happened.
Well, she a year pick me. So she's strong and she's smart. You have to keep positive. You have to, we know it's tough, but you have to look on the positive. And nobody look on the big picture. Just know, say, all you have to do right now is go get a picture and choose a picture and we meet at the library and print off. You have to take it bite-size mission. And when you look on the big picture, it mad you out. It just mad you out. So hold the faith, baby girl. And not everybody is against you. We're there for you. And something like this emergency, you'll be surprised how the community come together. I truly them not really know, but when they put up the poster and thing, you're gonna get back your angel, man. You're gonna get back your little angel.
Man, faith, man, God.
Lord Jesus, my pot. We meet
All
you
right.
later.
Yes.
Jesus, my pot up on up.
You're right now, I'm mother fault this year, My mother
It's
caused
true.
this.
Cause look how little girl sweet.
Me say.
And the mother think it hard to let go a man girl.
And she just then where they.
And my
they are
mother
hard
this
to
had
get.
bad. This
And look how
has
she
bad.
nice. Look how
I
she
chant
cute.
them bad prayer day.
Well, thank God they don't catch weight.
You
That
know,
means
catch
you're on a way. You see me?
The true.
Mm-hmm.
You alright? You wanna say alright? Wow. Wait.
Wake up. Jeez, wake up. Yeah, it go. Girl, run from the cold. Girl, it cold.
What me
Girl, run from the cold. Which bikini run from the cold, idiot, y'all?
What idiot?
Which bikini? Girl.
Girl.
Shamboya. Hey. But no, sir. After this now play.
You not play.
I feel party no girl. You're supposed to watch the bikini. You know I'm afraid that it go.
I'm watch the bikini. I'm afraid I call you idiot.
Oh, me
If you watch the picnic, I'm afraid of the cow. And the cow is afraid of the cow. You ain't got picnic.
You got jail.
What got jail?
Me didn't let him go for you, so you did happy. And when you let him go for every here cow, you not grab the picnic and run from the cow. You run the bikini with the cow.
What I got to find?
I mean, your fault.
If you're not busy, come here. How it to be my part and the both of us afraid of the cow and the look up in the sea. Where cow there? You see the cow?
So why you did that run for every cow never real?
Father God.
Yeah, idiot too.
Girl, the penny says to the cow, then me afraid of cow, you afraid of cow.
You know, it picnic escape, it picnic no me.
Girl, I run. Me go pack my bag
Hey,
and I go run. Cause
Girl.
that the man they not come for me. Now we maga mama not come for me.
the man still here foreign, the man gone
Oh.
back.
You can't send hitman to you. Think that?
He don't got hitman money. Him broke out just if that really he hasn't do it good to me want do it. You know what? The
Father God.
slippers here. Crocodile.
So really that you let me kidnap the people and pick me for? That got him?
Yes. You know that.
And the man broke, you idiot.
The man not that broke. broke. Your man got little combs, but your man broke.
Girl, me say me feel like you da fight out ya. Cause why you make me kidnap the people? Girl,
Chat.
girl. You make me kidnap the
Both
people.
eyes, ears, mouth, teeth, and tongue. Yeah.
Hey, me go over go confess.
Me, y'all confess. Yeah, yeah.
What else me fi do?
Die.
Well, yeah, go come back here, man. Come back here. Come back here. What we going to do now? Cause they pick me escape.
Me have my passport. Me feel like a Caribbean country.
Hey, you have to go put me in a suitcase cause me not no passport.
You can't go through customs. You're too bored.
You have to go try.
That man.
You talk like I say you're fatter than me. You're born it too.
Me not been say you're born no show through the extra screen when the suitcase go underneath it.
It no matter, it no matter.
It matter when they say, me can't tell them say it's a human size dolly. You don't got dolly face. Your face tough and bumpy too much. You're not porcelain. Nor silicone. Could they? Oh God, so bone.
You know, say that style, yeah, style.
No style, I just appear through.
One year yard. 1 year yard.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Brute. Can you just escape cause body you kidnap?
Me a Venezuela.
You ugly like me a Venezuela. Mommy.
I want you.
You
The fear run you down or what?
Yeah, no, mommy.
Hear none about what?
Your friend, baby. You not my friend, baby.
No, them find her. Them find the little angel.
Mommy, me no know. Me never find it, baby.
So you're running out of bread so far.
You're sure you know, mommy?
The day I want me for here.
And my phone, me fling, and me didn't even know my phone.
Did you? What? Come as emergency.
Yes, you know, hear nothing, so that good day. You know, hear nothing.
But me never hear nothing this morning. I never panic so. How you panic so?
Why should I panic this morning and I never heard nothing either?
So what you hear?
No, you know, mommy.
This no make sense. How you not hear nothing but you're running like Lego bees? And I ask, mommy, you hear nothing? You know something?
How would they have it?
What?
No, mommy, no.
No, you did say something and you always tell me, say, me not listen to you. Me never genuinely hear you. What you say?
No, say no, mommy. Everything alright, you know, say everything is okay, mommy.
Everything alright, and you're going
oh, mommy, I wear that by your shirt, my black pussycat.
You know, see the cat.
God, ugly man. Mommy, me not this no, but any cat kind of flavor.
And you, I remember, so you come from me, so
no,
your
mommy,
favor
you me a brownie. No, mommy.
You're colorblind. So, but what is what? But
anyway.
You see Moody.
That me just like ask if you see your friend come. No, see her.
So me not understand what the excitement, because you who always hotter and tired, I am running like a beast. So what so? You know something about the baby or what?
We did have a baby. No.
You did have the boy?
No.
And you did have the?
No.
Hold on. Me think me did hear wrong the first time. That's why I asked you to repeat it.
What you hear?
Deandra, are you take the little girl?
No, mommy. Mommy, look for me. Me can't mash hands with take baby. Me can't mash hands with kidnap it. Look for me. Me maga, me innocent.
So where you run coming for, so?
Can me see gunman them. I remember say they did see me face and the baby escape.
The baby escaped?
Yeah, baby escape
from. So hold on, you keep saying we and us. Let me get this right. The baby escaped from you? Then you tell me the truth.
Well, let me tell you the truth. Mommy, I made they kidnap the baby. You know why? I kidnapped the baby because my friend and my friend man. And your friend take my friend man and go breed for him. And my friend want my key man. So me do my friend a favor and kidnap the baby. You get it now?
Deandra, me didn't know you're cold, but me never know you was an ice queen.
Mommy.
You really take the little girl?
Mommy, me colder than that. I take me there go take his life and he escape.
Jesus Christ, me all a sweat.
Mommy, me no ramp, mommy. Mommy, me no ramp.
Me is a demon jail up and right so me no vamp.
And you there, so that make well me and Moody a talk about whoever take the child, what for do God for do them and they make you jump up.
Yeah. I mean this I man say you not come make my home go nowhere cause this home is to produce. Cause God make me to produce, so I'm going to produce.
So do anybody know?
Not just me and you and my friend. You and my friend now let me down, so you don't let me down. Because mommy, if you let me down, mommy, no nothing normal. Yeah, my mother,
So
mommy. But if you don't let me down, I love you. But me if you go dash away 200 if you don't let me down.
me want to see the day that near me want to see the day name day you think you bad enough to take me on.
Mommy, me not fi just take your hand so easy, mommy. Me not fi do it myself, mommy.
So
Leave
all the story
time
of gunman hold you up was BS.
Yeah. You should have said me
Okay.
a normal girl. Me a wicked girl.
Okay. Remember Sammy you come from. So you is a diluted version of me. Wait there.
What you mean
Don't
dilution
move.
version?
Don't
Where you
move.
go? Mommy,
Don't move.
where you go?
Don't move. Wait there, Miss
Jesus
Bad Girl. Don't
Christ.
move.
Hey, where is in the dance tonight? Lord God, me no problem.
I look at shit that nice though.
How you may look for me, girl?
How
You know hear? You know hear about your angel?
What they want to here?
Me hear say she gets away from the people them.
Which part should they?
Me no know. I no know which wicked brute take her.
Who?
Your worst enemy.
Me not the worst enemy. Who tell me and talk urban
And the brown girl. What's her name?
Kayna-Media?
Kayna, yes.
I don't believe that.
And she
Maya
take
make
your
me drop
angel.
down out here. Liar tell.
No, not lie me. I tell me here from a good source. She tell me daughter.
And your daughter can tell you?
Yes.
All right.
When she hear, because the little girl gets away from them, so she run round somewhere.
Come, we have to go to your daughter, make your daughter carry go which part should they come.
Come.
God. Let's get my feet now. You know, push it. You just walk down and let me know. I understand. You! Are you may look for? My pitney, them you say you have a pitney.
Who?
You!
You see me
Who
with the
else
kid?
there, sir?
You see me with the kid?
My pitney and a kid a goat from 4 foot.
Oh, you see me with a kitty? Eh?
Your friend, my friend's pitney, chat say you have me pitney.
So may I
For your
ask you
friend.
something? You see me with a kid or a child? You see me with nothing? You see me with nothing?
Listen to me.
May I listen?
Me know she not tell a lie. And you have a pitney, so I want me pitney.
You have proof? Eh? You can't go to court and say, judge me. Here says she got me pitney. You got proof? Eh? You did see me with that child? Think about that. What? None of them suspicious? Eh? You did see me around come tell you say, oh, that my friend over there so have a kid. And them I can't tell you that. Make them show you the proof and the evidence and them I tell you something, you know, not me, cause anyone me I talk me don't show you proof. I don't got a kid, I don't got a chick nor a child. You behave yourself, you see when you run coming out with the accusation, you fling your accusation past me, yeah? You fling it past me. I don't got a
You don't
girl,
worry yourself.
I don't got no kid.
You can find out. You don't worry yourself.
You can't find out nothing,
Yes.
I don't have a kid. You got proof?
Me so have proof.
Where proof all come from?
Me pitney.
Which pitney?
She not dummy.
Cho.
She can chat.
Well, okay. Go ahead and get your proof that you want. I don't have no kid. Make whosoever tell her that show your proof. I have no evidence.
Pitney
You can't go
thief,
to court and say, judge me here say she have him.
Stop walk and teeth.
Here say can't go to court.
And breathe for yourself. Me I go. Pitney thief.
How you feel do that?
Do what?
Yeah, idiot.
Idiot with what?
You know what? No, say Moody come to me and ask me when I'm picking it there.
Moody come.
Me and you, they know. Me definitely not going to tell Moody that. So I have for you.
Y'all, me and Moody a friend for me tell Moody that?
Take time, chat. Me no business. You tell nobody else?
Girl, I tell you God Almighty truth, you know. Me when come in breathless and me nearly pop my neck and my mother asked me what happened. And next me hear nothing about moody picnic. She said no, she hear that. I was like,
Oh.
good man. Then did my mom go sleep. Mommy
I saw
jam
now.
me out. My mom go sleep and then he come out of the yard. Say, I would do have a picnic.
Girl, you idiot. I presume you want to send me go.
Yeah, now I'm
Eh?
prison girl.
But I know that no moody I go come to me and say here see me take a picnic. Oh we hear that. I know me take
What
no
we going to
picnic.
do moody? Cause we can't go do it.
What you mean by do to moody? So
We no can't find the
I
picnic.
don't
And
wanna
then
get
mother
double
can't
charge.
find the picnic.
That if picnic go alright. Trust me, believe in me.
This one,
I want to
me
look a
tell
cute
mommy
girl.
say-
What?
mommy say, anyhow you chat. Me go take
Me not think you're about afraid of you. Right now,
No,
still,
no,
I
no.
don't
Hold on. What is this? What is
still,
this?
still.
What you doing to me, yard?
I want
You
more.
know they know
One.
where for you.
Sure.
No. We don't condone criminals, yes, sir.
What way criminal
Oh, ex-convict.
So either you's a liar or she's a criminal. Cause you tell me, say you take the little girl. You fit up on the run.
No, I kept the little girl. She took the girl.
I am the one who took the little girl.
Oh, you know about come here with that, you know?
See,
There's something that I'm playing.
and the toy in a
No, a
together.
she one.
Me
She
wanna me
one.
tell her say, me wanna find the little girl. Me kidnap the little girl because me I do my friend a favor.
Right.
Your friend take my friend man and go breed him. So me friend want back him man.
True,
So me
true.
kidnap the little girl. Then say can't catch quack, you catch him short. So me catch the little girl, come catch him man.
Nothing wrong with what you do, not true.
No, bestest go
Mr.
out.
Maga
See when
one
the
now.
police are the two of them.
No, sir.
And when
I
you
him
come
take
to
him.
go, they say, you know, not gonna put me.
Me no, you have proof. You have proof. So me take him.
That's the big come and girl me.
Girl, let me
If
tell
you
you
ever
this.
know what Satan I tell me do, no, you see, if I never my friend hit me.
Let me tell you this.
Sonar. She not me pick me. Me not have nothing for. Oh, you do with that there.
Me did.
Yeah,
Hey,
If you know what good for you, you come out of me yard before
me
me
did
get
think you
hard.
could have fight.
to try it.
Then
Show
take
me
the
the picnic.
picnic.
Me did think
Try
you
me,
could
me
have
see.
fight. Oh
Me give
Jesus!
birth to you, but try it, let me see.
I two against one.
Try it, let me see. Go on.
Go look
Try
far.
it, man. Nobody walk far. Where you walk far I go.
If you know what good for you,
Let's see which one reach.
you come out of me yard.
Moody don't move unless you go into the police.
Which one of them kill you faster?
Me want to see what
Me
you
tell you
gonna
that
do.
something that's up
Me
here.
want to see what you gonna do.
Me tell you now. When you might see me laugh and me look innocent, but I am not. Don't believe me can't fight.
You are
Remember,
dumb here, me a double
remember, so you
conqueror.
can't fight a two
Mood.
against one.
Which one this year?
Where the little baby there?
Hurry up and come out of me yard. Don't ask me no question. No. Hurry up and come out of me yard. That's what you do.
Look a girl
Tell me.
trick she
pen papers?
and tell her say
Pen papers.
Me ask you a question.
Show me a taxi
Are you
seat
did open up
plan.
so and get right here so? And she open
Hey,
up so and
hey,
right
hey,
here so me
hey.
make me say me no want you in me yard. So
Keep
get
your
the hell out.
mouth before we
Yes,
go
why-
to the police.
No,
For
you. Why
you.
you're a picnic dancer?
You feel me afraid of Babylon?
You're boof him and you're not kick him
You
and
know-
pep him and make him
I
know
bet
you push
you're
him out.
right. You're
Yeah,
right.
it's your
You
mother
be
did that.
shame on her. Put a nail on the
Your mother did that, Tom. I kick you. You wanna stay and you wanna go breed and you wanna go take your friend man, so don't come about me.
Jesus,
Cause me
swap
not
in the
take my
hospital.
friend man. Me not cock up on my friend man and me don't breed for my friend man, so you should have shame. You come here and argue. You come here and argue. My man, you could never take my man.
Look at you.
Look at
Look at you. Open up. You didn't open up and get the land. You
No,
know
me
the
never
land
open
come
up
by.
about me father.
No, she
Make
open
it
up
Don't worry
and she
yourself.
not get nothing.
Your
Maybe-
friend miss it by your inch, but you get don't put it on them face.
Don't do it. Don't
That's
do
why
it.
you're
Yeah.
not sad.
Don't do it.
I ain't have me yard there.
Yeah, you have yard. You have yard. You have anything, yeah?
Me don't
You have nothing, yeah?
Make it rest.
If me decide to strip you naked in me yard, cause me buy everything in ya. You have nothing? But your yard. Where your paper there? Me tell you already say my name up on the paper.
Are you
If
mad? What you mean by
anybody
the must
feel up out of this, are you?
I don't me mother. Me this one in fact I tell
Well,
you.
come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Right now you're trespass. Me can't phone the police and trespass.
Phone them.
Can't.
Phone them. Take your friend phone and phone them. Me not run.
Definitely because them coming for you now.
Me not run. Phone them. Can you feel me a run?
Yes, hello, good afternoon.
Don't touch the girl. Don't touch her. You're bad man. Don't touch her. And you can't move neither, because you not move. Stand her there.
You did tell me go move.
Stand her there.
Oh, where you go?
Wait for the police. Wait for them. You're bad man. Wait for them. Wait for them. You're bad man. You find them, them a come?
Yes, they're coming.
They find the kid.
Yes, they're fine.
What I go do? Okay, so you can go for the kid. No, I can't follow go to the kid. Oh, guess what?
Girl.
The police fast, but me fast. Remember that. What you pray?
Let she go along. Let her go along.
Breaking news update. Good afternoon, Miles Marcello reporting live for Kayna-Media News. 2 female are on the run for the kidnapping of a child because of man. They ran away after being discovered. If seen, please contact the nearest police station. Thank you and goodbye.